Hello, children. Today I'm going to read out for you the first rhyme from your English literature book. The title of the rhyme is A Sad Case. When I'm reading the rhyme, I will also be explaining it to you so that you can do the worksheets easily, which we are giving to you online. The rhyme goes like that. I can't understand why we don't like the things. It's wholesome and proper to eat. Here the poet is saying that why we don't like healthy food. Wholesome means something which is nutritious and healthy. So he's saying why we don't like something which is healthy and which is right and proper to eat. I wish that I just hated candies and cakes. So from this line you can make the judgment that poet is wishing that he could have just hated candies and cakes. That means that's his wish, right? That means he actually like candies and cakes. And what he's again further saying, and cared for potatoes and meat. So he was wishing that he could have hated candies and cakes. The poet is having a sweet tooth, that means. And he least cared for something which is healthy, like the vegetables, potatoes, and the wholesome food. It frightens me sometimes to think what I had do if only I had my own way in a candy shop or a baker shop. And he's imagining a situation. He's imagining a situation where he is all alone, or there is no one to stop him, and he's inside a candy shop or a baker shop. And you can easily see the picture that a boy is eating all sweets and candies in the picture, right? So he will be all around within a candy shop with all the sweet things, and there's no one to stop him, watch him, right? With no one to watch me someday. For if one left me alone with a lot of candies and cake of my side, so somebody, that means his parents or his teens, have left him all alone, then what would happen? I firmly believe he know what will happen to him. And he believed it, right? And he's saying, I firmly believe I should eat and should eat and should eat and should eat till I died. He know that if he's going to eat all the unhealthy food, at the end he's going to die, because he's not going to have a healthy body. So it's not going to be lasting for a longer time. He's going to die. So here the author name is Edgar Fawcett, and he's an American poet and a novelist, and he has written so many books for the children especially. So what is the summary, or what we have learned from this rhyme? It is choosing something which we know which has ill effect on our body. So a strong person must possess a strong willpower to do good only, whether somebody is watching or not. One should always go with the right thing, whatever the circumstances are, right? So we need to take care of our body and should eat healthy only. That is what we have learned from this rhyme. So I hope you understood each and every line of the rhyme. Thank you so much. Bye.